Dearest gentle readers, it has been a while since I have graced you with my soap making. And this particular soap did not exactly go as planned. Although, to my surprise, it turned out even better than I expected. I find when I haven't made soap in a while that my skills are a little rusty. This design was inspired by honey and grapefruit and was just supposed to be a simple honeyed grapefruit soap. But on this day, my mind was elsewhere. Instead of making soap, what I really wanted to do was binge watch the latest season of Bridgerton. As I was going through the process of putting the soap together, I realized it would make a perfectly Bridgerton-inspired bar. If you have seen the show, you know the significance of the bee. So the added honey made perfect sense. Speaking of scents, the fragrance notes are of fresh pink grapefruit, sweet Valencia orange, mouth-watering clementine, and soft florals. The white and the gold and the soft pinks were giving me Daphne Bridgerton vibes all over. So here's the part that I messed up on because my skills are rusty and I, again, had my mind elsewhere. I mixed up these pinks and I wanted to do a little in the pot swirl, and then I realized I didn't put the fragrance oil in this part of the soap. So you see those lovely colors? Forget about it. I had to mix them all together in this big bowl and add the fragrance oil to it. But don't worry, I fixed it. So to save this batch from ruin, I just decided to split it up, add a little titanium dioxide to lighten up, and continued on with the design of this soap. Keeping the top simple to this, I did a little texturing, added some calendula and poppy seeds. Originally, I had wanted to put a melt and pour slice of what would look like a grapefruit on the front of this, but I came up with an even more clever idea. You'll have to stay tuned for the cut in part 2 to see that. And of course, we need some sparkle. Now we must wait for 24 hours.